In this video, we are going to fix 201811 update for Windows 11 error 0x80246010. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to proceed to the left pane, find for an option called System, click on it. And after this, you need to scroll down here in the list and find for Troubleshoot, click on here, and then click on Other Troubleshooters. And access to go with most frequent, you can see their Windows Update, click on Run corresponding to it. So wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done, close this window and then restart your computer and check if the problem has been fixed the moment you relaunched it again. Okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to delete a file folder named XblGameSave. How we can do that at the File Explorer, bring it up, and then the moment you have opened the File Explorer, you need to navigate to the Disk PC where you can see your C drive or local disk. Click in here, and then from that proceed to the Windows, double tapped. And under the Windows, locate for System 32, scroll down, find for it. Then you need to double tap. And under the System 32, you need to locate for a file folder named Tasks. So scroll down and locate for that. Okay, double tap, then click on, and then under the task, you need to navigate to the Microsoft, double tap, and from here, please find for XblGameSave. Okay, delete this one, make a right click, and then click on delete. Okay. Once you have deleted this one, you need to close the window, proceed to the next solution. The next solution would be you need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit. Then click on the OK button here. Then after that, you need to locate for HK local machine, double tapped. And the next is to go with the software, double tapped. And under the software, you need to find for Microsoft, double tapped. And then under the Microsoft, you need to locate for Windows NT. Scroll down on the list and locate for it. Once you have find it, you need to double tap. And there you can see current version, double tapped. And under this, you need to locate for schedule. So I can find the schedule here next to Resource Manager. Double tapped and find for the task cached, double tapped, and there you can see tree, double tapped, and under the tree you need to find for Microsoft, double tapped, and under the Microsoft you need to delete this file folder named XblGameSave. Make a right click and click on delete. Don't worry because I'll be including this path at the YouTube description so you can simply copy and paste it here. Okay? Once you have deleted this one, close the paths being opened. And then close the window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn the notification bell so that you will be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.